Hello everyone, my name is SOMONY. Welcome back studies English grammars, and today we studies about the functions of the present progressive, right? Let's go everyone. Okay, and everyone, today we focus the functions of the present progressive, right? And okay, first point. And first point to talk about something that is in progress at the moment of speaking, right? At the moment of speaking, I mean, everyone, in progress at the moment of speaking. Example for you, it is raining right now, right? It is raining right now. Okay, it's happening. Okay, it's happening right now, right? It may not relate to at the moment of speaking. Okay, and second, everyone, this second point, to talk about something that is in a progress around the present, right? But not exactly at the moment at the time of speaking. Okay, you can see example. Mr. Clo is looking for a new job this day, right? New job this day. Okay, around, right? Around the present. Around the present, I mean, looking for a job, right? I mean, this activity talks about Mr. Clo, right? Mr. Clo looking for. Mr. Clo looking for. I mean, Mr. Talk about Mr. Clo activities, right? Activities happening, looking for something, right? Looking for something around the present. Okay, third point to talk about situations which are developing or temporary. Okay, everyone, you can see, computers are becoming more and more important in our lives, right? Computer are becoming more and more important in our life right now. Situation, right? Computer situation. Okay, computer, talks about something becoming better and better, right? Better and better, or more and more important, right? Because everyone, we both our working or assignment, or do in something, right? We need computers, right? We need computer. Okay, we need computer because computer is very important, right? Very important for uh, assignments or a job, right? And so this example, talks about computer, the function of computer are becoming more and more important in our life, right? Okay. Number four, everyone, number four, with adverb, right? With adverb means, the present progressive with adverbs. Adverb here is like always or constantly, right? Or constantly. And so right now, to express complaints or annoyance, right? Example, she is always, right? Always calling me late at night. Okay, she is always calling me late at night. Okay, understand it, everyone? Okay, finally, everyone, present progressive, use with time expression. I mean, time expression in the progression, in the present progressive. Okay, like now, at the moment, at present, this day, nowadays, and today. And everyone, related to time expression, we can use two way, right? We can use two way. Okay, we can use two ways. um Everyone, if you put time expression at the beginnings of a sentence, you need comma, right? And if you put time expression at the end of a sentence, you need no comma. Understand that, everyone? Okay, you can see example, right? These days I'm using email to keep in touch with my friend, right? And first example, everyone, I used time expression before the sentence, right? Before the sentence. Okay, if you want to use time expression, at the beginning of a sentence, everyone, you need comma, right? It means you put comma, right? You put comma after time expression, and next, and after, SVO. Okay. And second example, everyone, you can see time expression, time expression at the end of a sentence. Okay, no comma, right? No comma. Okay, no comma. I can say, if you put a time expression at the beginning of a sentence, and you need comma, right? Okay, you need comma. And if you put a time expression after this, after the sentence, and you need no comma. I mean no comma, right? You can see here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and everyone, everyone, you can see again the diagrams of the usings of the present progressive tense. And you can see, right? You can see this here, activities in the past, right? Activities in the past. And right now, here's everyone, here's, and moment of speaking, right? Moment of speaking, I mean present progressive. Okay, right? And this is here future. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. See you later. Welcome back my next slide or next lesson. Okay, thank you again.